This is a bonus video for those who watch the How to Make Money from Home as a Beginner in 2019 Alice video. The Alice video is in the description of this video and as an end screen. This video shows 3 unique strategies for men who want to earn money online from home. 3 secret strategies for men who will use Poshmark. In the following examples, I show you men how to get tons of clothes, shoes, bags, accessories, etc. for free that you can list to make tons of money from home. Hint, this will work for Alice too. Introducing Bob. Bob lost his job recently. He is looking for a way to make money from home as a beginner in 2019 as soon as possible. You need an effective side hustle to make money fast, Bob. Watch the Alice video from the beginning, Bob, to learn how Alice got her Poshmark set up to make money from her home as a beginner in 2019. The Alice video is available in the description of this video and as an end screen of this video. Bob, the 3 strategies for this side hustle work so well. I'm amazed that I am sharing this awesome strategy here in public with you and the other men today. But first, here is one way that you do not want to do, Bob. One way I quit after the first experience. Take a look here, Bob. You have an idea of what might be going on here? That's right, you guessed it. My wife asked me, help me pick out some items from the thrift shop today. Only did it once, Bob. You feeling what I mean? So I'm going to introduce to you, Bob, 3 work-from-home strategies that work perfectly for me as a guy to get lots of free inventory to sell and make money from home as a beginner. I put on my thinking cap, Bob, and came up with effective strategy 1. Effective strategy 1. I have uncountable nieces and nephews. Maybe cousins in your case, Bob. I have free time on the weekends. Maybe you do too. I offer to help them clean out their closet and take away all their unwanted, excellent used condition clothes, shoes, hats, and bags. Note, as a kind uncle, I gave them half the profits of the sales. When the word got out, my relatives were calling me to come over and do the same for them and their crowded closets. Here is effective strategy 2. I approached my wife's uncountable nieces and nephews. I helped them clean out their closet and take away all their unwanted, excellent used condition clothes, shoes, hats, and bags. Note, as a kind uncle-in-law, I gave them half the profit. Good news travels fast, and my wife's relatives asked me to do the same for them and their crowded closets. Effective strategy 3. I've been a Toastmaster for many years. You might be also, Bob. There are many Toastmasters clubs with many fashionable women who have lots of unwanted, excellent used condition clothes, shoes, hats, and bags. Note, as a helpful fellow Toastmaster, I gave them half the profit unless they refused. Good news travels fast, and Toastmasters outside of my club ask me to do the same for them and their crowded closets. So, inventory issue solved. Never had to do the thrift shop hop with my wife again. could get all the inventory I could ever sell from the privacy of the homes of relatives and Toastmasters contacts. Bob, do you see how this could work for you and the other men just as well as it worked for me? Note, by the way, Bob, Alice is already multitasking as she watches this video and is jotting down a list of her relatives, co-workers, and local social contacts. Here are some photo-taking tips for you, Bob. Be sure to take a front and back photo of the person wearing their clothes. And no, Bob, you are not supposed to be in the photo too. Examples of front and back photos as follows, Bob. Bob, here is an example of a free photo editor. It's a costless application, it's totally free to use, and it's on the web. There are no hidden charges, and users can use it for commercial purposes also, like posting photos on Poshmark. In conclusion, Bob, men and women looking for an honest way to make money from home as a beginner in 2019 with Poshmark will also get a lot of value out of receiving the free Poshmark detailed explanation PDF. The URL is in the description of this video. Just click on Show More and scroll down to get it. Other than the free bonus gift of the PDF, there are no other links in the video description section. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers so I can get my YouTube channel monetized. If you found value here today, please help me out by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell me in the comment section which idea you think you're going to use. And thanks a lot for watching today.